We're going to start this lesson today by making breathing beads. You can start by folding in the one corner of the pipe cleaner, which will help the 10 to 12 beads that you'll be putting on the pipe cleaner stay in place. Now you can start by one adding on the beads. Once you're done putting on the beads, you can then fold the other corner to make sure they all stay in place. You can use this tool for mindful breathing with eyes closed. Inhale and exhale, and move one bead at a time to the opposite end of the pipe cleaner. Continue this pattern until all the beads have been moved. The activity can end here, or continue the activity until all the beads are moved back to their original place. You can create this tool in a variety of ways. You can use any color of pipe cleaner and any kind of beads. This one will spell out Dreamwalkers. Instead of just folding the end of the pipe cleaner, you can also turn it into a diamond, heart, or just a circle to make it into a wand. Thank you for joining me in creating breathing beads. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.